You have your piece of property, you have your home, you purchased it for $200,000, $300,000, $600,000. And you also have a mortgage on the home. And the mortgage on the home is about 80% of the value of the home. Then you have your young family, you're working, your spouse is working, and you're coming together, pooling your assets to pay for this American dream that you now have. For many people, our mortgage is more than a third of our monthly income. And therefore, it's a significant share of our family's income. But have you ever thought about what would happen to this American dream if you pass away? Would your spouse be able to handle paying the mortgage, taking care of the home without you being there? And this is where I want you to entertain including life insurance in your estate plan. When a couple comes to me and they're discussing their debts and they're discussing their assets, and I'm actually planning for them, when I look at their assets versus their debts, I ask them, okay, how would these debts get paid off if something should happen to you? And then when I compare it and I see, okay, where is the hole within this plan? One of the best ways to plug that hole is life insurance. And I love to see life insurance sufficient enough to pay the debts off for the family. Because if something should happen to you, do you want your children to also become homeless? Do you want the spouse that's alive to be struggling to pay the mortgage when they now have to pay for additional childcare? Will your spouse be able to handle it if your spouse was a stay-at-home parent? I don't think so. So I love to see life insurance sufficient enough to pay the debt. And if you can't pay the debt, at least sufficient enough to cover the family for 6 months, a year, 2 years, to give your spouse the time to change their lifestyle so that they can, 1, put the children first, and 2, get right with their life. My name is Megan Truitt, and if you want to talk to an experienced estate planning attorney who actually knows how to really incorporate life insurance in your estate plan, reach out to us. We have videos like this just for you, and we help families every day just like yours. Thank you. Hello, thank you for watching our video. And because you made it to the end of that video, we're offering you our new estate planning handbook. This is a wonderful tool and I'm sure you like it. Go ahead, download the link and let's get learning together.